Hello all, welcome to the first session of JavaScript Made Easy course. As part of this session, I am going to explain and practically demonstrate how to download and install Node.js. So let's get started. So here I have created this notes. So let me open the notes. We'll just follow the notes and download and install Node.js as mentioned there. Okay, let me open the notes here and we'll exactly follow these steps and then download and install the Node.js. So to download and install the Node.js, we have to go to this website that is nodejs.org. Let me click on this and open this link that is nodejs.org is a website. On this website, you can clearly see there is a download button. Click on that. The moment you click on this download button, for the latest LTS version of Node.js. The MSI file got downloaded here. Just go to the location, double click on this MSI file, and the installation will start like this. Okay, welcome to the Node.js setup wizard. Click on next. I accept. Click on next. Don't change anything. Click on next. Next. Click on next. Install. That's it. You are not changing any option during this process of installing it. Just select yes. Okay, when you select yes, Node.js will get installed. Let's wait for the installation to be completed. So we have downloaded the Node.js and we are now installing the Node.js also at the same time. Okay, after downloading, we have started installing the Node.js. Let's wait for the installation to be complete. So almost there. Yeah, just click on finish. Node.js has been successfully downloaded and installed. We need to confirm that, right? So here, if you clearly follow the steps, the same steps will be there. You just went to this website, you downloaded the LTS version using that button. You installed it at Node.js software with help of .msi file that we have downloaded here. Okay, then we did all these steps. Okay, then to confirm whether we have successfully installed Node.js or not, okay, we have to use these commands. Okay, open the command prompt now. Just type cmd in the Windows search. Open this, open the command prompt and run this command. First command is node space -v. We should get a particular version here. If you're getting one reasonable version here, that is like, whatever it may be, then we are good to go. The next thing that we have to check here is npm-v. Okay, if you are getting the version here, then we are good to go. This is what we have to do, guys. Okay, done. We are done with downloading and installing the Node.js. So why we have to download and install Node.js? Without downloading and installing Node.js, we cannot run the JavaScript code later. Okay, so we are getting the things ready for the JavaScript. Okay, before we start you know understanding the JavaScript programming language here. So we have to install some software, okay, as a prerequisite. The first thing that we have downloaded and installed is Node.js. After that, we are going to download and install the Visual Studio Code editor, then other stuff, and we'll keep going like that, okay? We'll keep going like that. The first thing that we have done is we have downloaded and installed Node.js, and with this, we can run the JavaScript code. Okay. So if you have some questions like, why Node.js is required for JavaScript. Okay. If you write like this, you will get the answer. Node.js is not required to write or run JavaScript, but is essential when you want to run JavaScript outside of a web browser. You see, by default, if you want to run the JavaScript, which one is enough? Web browser is enough. But if you want to run the JavaScript code outside the web browser, outside the web browser means outside the HTML code or whatever it is, okay, then we need to have this Node.js. We need to take the help of the Node.js in order to run the JavaScript code, okay? So JavaScript is originally created to run in web browser, but why Node.js is needed? Node.js allows you to run the JavaScript code outside the browser. So in this session, we are not going to run the JavaScript code from the web browser or something. We are going to go beyond the web browser. I want to run the JavaScript code without the web browser. That is the reason in this session I showed you how to download and install the Node.js. Okay. To run the JavaScript code outside the browser, we need this Node.js software. Fine. So JavaScript is a programming language which usually by default can run in the browser. Okay. We can run the JavaScript in a browser itself. But if you want to run the JavaScript outside the browser, when we want to run the JavaScript outside the browser, then we need Node.js. Okay. Fine. So hope you got the idea why we have downloaded and installed Node.js. Before we started with the JavaScript here, we are getting the things ready for the JavaScript to run, okay, outside the browser. That's why we have downloaded and installed the Node.js in this session. So that's all for this session. In the next session, I'm going to cover next topic that is required for JavaScript. So see you in the next session. Thank you. Bye-bye.